Welcome to Rail Goose Tutorials, your one-stop shop for all things model trains. Hi, this is Scott with Rail Goose. If you're struggling with how to change your road number for your DCC enabled trains fast and simple, this video is going to walk you through exactly what you need to do so you can change the numbers on your trains without the use of complicated DCC controller systems. We're going to use the Broadway Limited Address Changer, product code BLI1020. Okay, let's get into this. First thing you need to do is get power to the address changer and wires from the test track to the address changer. Step 1. Connect the black wire and the red wire from the test track to the address changer. Color isn't really important, it doesn't matter. Just connect the black to the black and the red to the red, and connect the power that came with the address changer and plug it into the outlet. Then place your train on the track. Now that you have all the power and wires connected, it's time for step 2. Step 2. Wires are all connected, trains on the track, and the address changer is ready. Press the Read Track button. This will take a few seconds to complete, and once the address changer has displayed the existing road number, it's time for step 3, programming the new road number. Step 3. You should see the road number that is already assigned to your train. If it's a new train, it will read the number 3. With our test train, it is number 3, and we want to change it to 570. From left to right are 4 buttons towards the bottom. Each press represents a 1-digit number, so if you press it once, it will be turned to 1. And if you press it twice, it should read 2, and so on. Since the train's road number is 570, we will skip the first left number and use the second one to make it a 5. Then the third one is set to 7, and the fourth one is left alone because it defaults to 0. Now you will press the program button at the bottom to set your road number for the train. It takes a few seconds and it will be completed.
So there's an option or a bonus tip for this particular unit, the Broadway Limited Address Changer. You can reset your DCC decoder back to factory defaults. Some of the issues people seem to have are, I don't know what the decoder manufacturer is, I don't know what my DCC controller, what the CV number is, what the value is, how do I reset it? You got to get on the internet and look it up. With this thing, you just simply press the read track and this number button together, and it will reset it back to factory defaults. Okay, we've pressed the buttons now and we're just waiting. It might take a minute or so for this to finish. When it comes up, I believe the code number will represent that it has completed correctly, and once it's done, we'll press the retrack again to see if it has changed it back to factory default, which is 3. So there, it's done. We're going to click the button, the track read, and it should tell us that it's set to 3 again. There it is. So that's it. So you can quickly change. In fact, we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 7.
A few steps, you were able to change the address on your train or reset your DCC decoder to factory defaults, all without using complicated DCC controllers and remembering all the buttons and menus. If you don't already have one of these, I highly recommend getting the Broadway Limited 1020 Address Changer. It's a great tool for the model train box. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.